are watching Spain News Network. It's 9 p.m. bulletins. 12.777 were ready for PIA to international flights. Then why did they send the same plane which had not been rented for 6 months? And the case was also pending in the court. Investigation of 3 officers of National Air Force started. PIA spends rupees 10 million to repatriate stranded passengers at Kuala Lumpur airport. Passengers arrived at the Islamabad. NEB has been tried to damage Broadsheet. Broadsheet has paid another party $1.5 million instead of Broad. Court's decisions to deliberately conspires to cause financial harm to Broad. Deliberately negligence. Shibli said that PDM itself was suffering from internal turmoil. He said that the oppositions would not be allowed to find a way out and they would have to give an account. Schools across the country are open tomorrow. 9th to 12th classes come in school while the remaining classes will begin 1st February. The cleaning work was going on in Lahore even today on the day of the holiday. 25,000 tons were raised in Lahore while there is still a large quantity. Nepal's climbers spent the night in base camp 3 and 2 climbers were reached without resting on base. A climber who get lost along the way will found by helicopters tomorrow. Today is 3rd anniversary of Naqibullah Mahsood, who was killed in a police encounter. Gibran Nasir, while giving a press conference, said that Rao Anwar is a stain on the name of police and he has been banned by the United States. Today, 43 people were killed in coronavirus, while the positive cases rate of 6.1%. Government has allowed anyone to call for vaccines of corona. Provinces, private companies and hospitals can call for vaccines on their own. Fog in Punjab and KPK increased the severity of cold, and today the lowest temperatures recorded in Skardu -14 centigrade.